Good morning. I'm here at the Ecology Center and we're getting ready for a very special workshop. My good friend Ines, and we are teaching all things pizza and some live fire cooking. I'm quite excited. There's always so much to do and you think you have a lot of time and you don't. So I have got to get wriggling. Stole my butter for the chickens. Love butter. I need a butter sponsor. Any butter sponsors out there want to sponsor me? All right, so we are maybe 2 hours away from everyone turning up. There's always that feeling of slight anxiety because you're like, shit, have I got everything organized? We're getting there. There's a few little hiccups. One of our staff members was a little late this morning, but you know, you just kind of have to gracefully roll with it. But I think we're going to get there. As soon as the chickens are up, I think I'll feel a lot more calmer. Is that odd? Got to hang my chickens. There's always so much to do to set up for 50 students arriving. How are you feeling, Ines?
I'm feeling great. Thanks so much for asking.
This is Ines. Delicious. This is my partner in crime today, Pizza Pro.
I'm here for the chicken.
I feel like once the dome's set up and the chickens are on, we're good. Okay, so we are on and all the guests are starting to turn up. Very exciting. Things are looking good. We've got our chickens on the fire, and here I've got this dome lighting because I am going to be roasting a bunch of pumpkins in there. We've got Inez's pizza station set up, and where we're going to be having dinner. Our lovely helpers. Who are you?
I'm Sarah. Rebecca.
Thanks for coming. Wait,
Ines.
this is Ines. She is the pizza pro. And Katie,
Hi.
coming to give us a hand. We're all set up. It's looking so good. We got books, we've got drinks, we've got everyone turning up. And Courtney. Yep. Let's go and have a fun day. We've got beetroots and carrots, which I also love cooking on the fire. And so always when you go to your farmers markets, make sure they leave the stalks on because they become our friends. Ines is doing the pizza making component right now, and Juan and I are trying to make sure lunch is ready on time, which is always a juggle. But I'm feeling good. You know what? You just gotta relax, have fun, enjoy the day, and count your blessings.
Not too charcoaly. So this is our sacrificial one. How does first sacrificial?
Pretty great. I will say, I'm a fan of letting pizza sit. Because sometimes people like grab a pizza when it's really, really hot and like the flavors haven't like had a chance to sit.
I think it depends on the pizza.
Okay.
I love, for crispier pizza, I think sitting for 5 minutes, absolutely. I think for like a more delicate dough, you want to like let it rest. You don't want to immediately put it on a plate because then it'll steam it. So put it on a cooling rack.
I don't know about some of pizza, this makes me so happy. So students are having a lot of fun. I think we're having thumbs up everywhere. So this is good. And we have some new fire pizza experts.
Oh, look, this one might be out of commission.
I think we're going to need a new pizza oven. I don't think I've ever seen this happen before in my life.
Scrambled egg pizza.
Scrambled egg pizza's delicious.
Hold on, wait, I'm coming. Okay.
Sorry.
That is actually the best thing I think I've ever seen in my life. Oh, this doesn't even fit in there. That's why.
Sorry. Every part of that's amazing.
I mean, that's the best looking pizza I've ever seen. Come to a pizza workshop, they said. Learn how to make pizza. You'll be a pro. Okay, so we are halfway through our workshop, or like a little way, and everything is starting to cook really nicely. Ines is over there doing her little demo. Let's have a look in here. Pumpkin's roasting, and I'm feeling pretty good so far. I think we're on track for lunch around 2ish. The people, but the nice thing is you can see how like perfectly this like starts to break away. So I'll do I don't really use a knife when it comes to chicken like this because it will just pull. This is why I wear gloves, because it does get really hot, but you can run your fingers along. So this is really nice. Okay, so we are at the point that you guys are getting some chicken.
Yes,
And I think we've done pretty well today. Are you dark or a light?
I'll do anything.
Okay, I'll give you a bit of everything.
Thank
How
you.
about that? A little bit of skin?
Oh yeah,
Little
thank you.
shorts. I think we've been good. I think everything has worked out really well. Everyone's happy. Hopefully everyone's going to be super full by the end of today.
Yes. Yes.
Good to meet
Thanks
you.
again.
Take
Thanks
some
for having us.
leftovers. Please, take leftovers, anybody. Can you Photoshop this stuff?
The food is amazing. Cooking over the fire. This is like the first time I've ever done a workshop where we've cooked over the fire. It's amazing.
And I totally think it was ingredients that we probably hadn't really thought of putting together in the way we put them together today.
Oh, just simple.
Yeah.
Salt.
Salt.
Butter. Like,
Yeah. Salt. So great
yeah.
way to spend a beautiful afternoon.
Yeah.
Like outside fellowshipping, good food,
Yeah.
good drinks. It was a really great day.
Yeah.
Sarah was
this is
fantastic.
Also a best friend day.
Yeah. True. True. So
All right, so this is the end of the workshop. Everyone has left. How do you feel?
Woo! How do you feel? Great. I think
We survived a Sarah Glover workshop.
we survived another Sarah Glover workshop.
Wait, this is your second.
Second. It's great. I think a lot of people learned some things, and I feel
Highlight for you?
I would say giving someone pizza confidence, as
Yeah.
they said.
It is a thing, like having pizza confidence. It's
Yeah.
the same with the fire. It's like people getting confident with like putting their hands in a fire, on a fire, or like seeing a result. Like I actually loved when we carved the chicken up. Everyone was like, "Whoa!" And I was like, "Yeah, that's right. A chicken can be good." I feel like chicken is a little underrated.
Oh, the chicken was so good too.
Wait, my favorite moment though is when you tried to rub the bruise off my face. Last night we went surfing and I hit myself with the surfboard and I got a pretty nasty cut.
It looks
bruise.
great now.
Yeah, it's covered up right now.
Thanks so much for watching. This is Sarah.
This is my YouTube, but you mean on my YouTube, and we're going to actually film for you guys some recipes. So we're going to leave a link below to those episodes. The recipes are going to be pizza making, and I'm going to be learning how to make pizza. You're going to teach me. We're going to pizza it. Okay, so make sure you hit the bell so you know next time there is a wild adventure with Sarah Glover up and coming. Leave me comments below. Let me know what you might like to hear and, well, not hear, what you'd like to watch. Thanks for joining. Yahoo!